Hello there, what's up? Hi, I'm Kitty, and welcome back to my channel. By now, you'll know the video is about art tutorial, and yes, it's a voiceover video, and it is my voice, and I have decided to voice over my videos for tutorial. So, any further delay, let's get into the video. So, few days back or a week back, I asked you what you want the next video on, what tutorial video you want, and posted a poll in the community tab. And as you can see, many of you voted for the anime face tutorial. See then, you are a person of same culture. The stage of regret. Ever happened to you where you just randomly cleaning your stuff and suddenly you found your old notebook and now you're just randomly going through the pages and one page just caught your attention? Is a drawing from your older self, where you drew anime you liked, and you drew it because you just wanted to be cool and show off your drawing, but now you regret watching this. This is happened to me. This has happened to me, and that is why I call this the stage of regret. As we all know, we had this phase, or some of you are still in this phase, where you just saw an anime, most of the cases for the first time, and now you want to draw, and you just messed up. And the result turns out like this, and this. I had difficulties to find these pictures on Google, but first of all, no hate to the artist. But why? What is this? I think it was supposed to be Miku, but it just looks like it has been stepped on by Miku. And what's up with this? Are they sex of saint? Even an 80-year-old grandma is better than this. This one just straight up looks like it has gulped down a pizza box and now it is choking. I have no more comment on this. Aha! Typical MS Paint drawing with wrong canvas size. So, if you don't want your art or anime look like spilled tea, then follow some of my tips. Disclaimer: everyone has different art style and methods to do art, and I am not saying that my method is the only one you should follow. These tips are some mere result of my experiments, so please don't judge me. Thank you. So I have found the default anime face for female and male on Google, and I have written down the characteristics of them. So let's begin with the female face. The female anime face. So as you can see, I have picked up the default anime face for reference from the Google, and I have written down the characteristics beside it. So there are 6 characteristics which we should follow mainly. The number one is rounder face. The number 2 is rounded and big eyes, because as per Japanese or Asian culture, it is believed that the eyes which are more rounder and sharper tends to be the sign of goodness. That's why the eyes are more rounder and sharper. Number 3 is less sharper chin. That's what makes the face more rounder. Number 4 is softer feature. Number 5 is small face, and number 6 is the neck is thin. And also there is one point I have missed, and I think it should be mentioned. It is that they have less border shoulder than the male anime face. Now for the male anime face, we also have the characteristics. Number 1, they have longer face. Number 2, their eyes are more sharp and pointier than the female ones. Number 3, they have more sharper chin. Number 4, sharp and bold feature to bring out their masculine features. Number 5, the eyebrows are thicker and placed closer to the eyes. And number 6, they have thick neck, and also they have broader shoulder than the female. Now I have picked up two currently famous anime characters from the same anime, the spy and the assassin. Sorry, Lloyd Forger and Yor Briar from Spike's family. Oh, sorry, the X isn't supposed to be pronounced. The Spy family. Okay, let's go with Yor and let me show you how the tips work. First, I will sketch over the picture to show you how proportion work. Now I have written down some important tips about proportion, and I think you really should follow these tips because that's the proportion you can see here is the way to draw anime face. This is the basic of anime face. So you can see if the face is 1, then we just divide it into halves and halves and halves, and at the end it just becomes 1/8 of the face, and it is 1/8 refers to the place of mouth, 1/4 refers to the place of nose, and then 1/2 and 1/2 refers how big the eye of the area of the chin will be. And as you can see, I have shown you that they have more rounder face and they have thin neck, and of course their eyes length are equals to the half of the ears. Now I will just put it as the reference, and I will now draw your face. So just watch me drawing your face using the reference, and I will just watch the reference and draw your face. Male anime face drawing. So as earlier, I have picked Lloyd as reference, and I am again showing you by sketching over the picture that how proportion works. Now again it's the same thing, the proportion, but in this case the eyes are more pointy and sharper, and they have long and sharp jaw. The neck is thick and they have broad shoulder than the female. Now again I am using the sketch as reference, and I am drawing Lloyd by myself. Just watch me drawing Lloyd's face. Now that's pretty much that's the result. Now let's summarize the video. So 1, always use reference, because if you draw from your mind then the result will be disappointing. Number 2, though you are using reference, don't just copy others' work. You shouldn't do it. Just pour your creativity. Number 3, maintain the proportion is the biggest key of drawing. Number 4, don't just draw like you are a printer. Don't just copy it. Just draw and pour your own creativity. And last but not least is the most important thing. Just practice. Practice will make you perfect, I swear. Now as you practice, you can show me your artwork and I might review it here on my channel. To do that, tag me in the Instagram by posting your art. The ID is @blue_rhythm992. and use the hashtag in your artwork. Hashtag Kitty Review Me. KITTYREVIEWME, and I will watch your work and fix or praise it. Instagram link is in the pinned comment. Do check it out. And guys, please subscribe because that doesn't cost money and you will be proven as cultured person if you subscribe to me. Now, new Speedpin video will come soon. Till then, see ya. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Peace.